In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all promotions in Gmail with ease. Whether you're looking to clean up your inbox, reduce clutter, or simply start fresh with your email, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, make sure you're logged into the correct account you wish to clean up. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials and proceed to your inbox. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, take a look at the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice a list of categories which might include primary, social, and promotions, among others. Click on the Promotions tab. This is where all the promotional emails you'll want to delete are stored. Now that you're in the Promotions section, take a look at the top of your email list. You should see a checkbox just below the search bar. This checkbox allows you to select all the emails shown on the current page. Go ahead and click that checkbox. After clicking, you'll notice that all the emails on this page are selected, but we're aiming to delete all promotional emails, not just those visible on one page. You'll see a small notification appear near the top of the page, informing you that all messages on the current page are selected, and it offers an option to select all conversations in promotions. Click on this option. This action ensures that every promotional email in your entire Promotions tab is selected, even those hidden on subsequent pages. With all your promotional emails selected, look towards the top of the current Gmail interface for a trash can icon representing the delete function. Clicking this icon will initiate the deletion process. Depending on the number of emails and your internet speed, this might take a little time, so be patient as Gmail processes your request. After pressing delete, all your promotional emails will be moved to the trash. Be aware, these emails will remain in the trash for 30 days before being permanently deleted. If you'd like to expedite this process and free up storage space immediately, you can head over to the trash folder from the left-hand side menu, select all emails, and delete them permanently. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all the promotions from your Gmail account, helping to keep your inbox organized and free of clutter. Remember, keeping your inbox tidy is a great way to reduce stress and stay on top of your emails. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day.